In Module 4, we're going to cover managing file servers, and we're going to look at storage solutions. The lessons we'll focus on will be volume and file system management in Windows Server. We're going to look at how you share folders and all the considerations that go along with that. We're also going to implement this newer concept called storage spaces. Very interesting. Not extremely common yet because it's still fairly new to Windows, but we're going to look at exactly how that's set up and what's entailed in the configuration. We're also going to implement data deduplication, so you can greatly reduce the size of the data on your actual disks, so conserve a lot of space. You can store more data. Very interesting as well. And we'll end with deploying a distributed file system. So we'll look at DFS namespaces and this concept called DFS replication. So very useful topics, and the things we cover in this module, every company would use the majority of these configurations. Storage spaces may be the one that not a lot of companies use yet, but all the others, anywhere you go, you would need to be familiar with.